So students, let's quickly, attempt this question, and this is totally based on what we have studied earlier. We have already done a couple of questions related to this, so I think it should be very easy. Let me quickly go through the question. Now, we have a wall. This is a wall with height h, and it is this wall is at a distance of a units from a boy, and on the other side it is b meters or b units. After that we have a mirror. Now we have to find the minimum length of mirror required so that girl can see or boy can see full image of wall inside the mirror. Okay, so this is the question. Again, we have to attempt it in the same way, the way we did earlier. We have to, draw or, complete the ray diagram first. And then you remember we have drawn two triangles in the first triangle and the second triangle. Through similarity, we found out the relation and then we eventually wrapped it up. So I would highly suggest if you can just go through it, pause the screen, and then try to complete it yourself. I will solve the question in a while. Okay, so now let's start solving it. So first thing is, as we have been doing it, this is a distance, b distance, this is a wall, right? At a distance, at a distance a plus b, let's draw a image. Okay, so this is now a dash and b dash. Okay, now as I said, this gentleman has to see the entire wall image, correct? So what we will do is we will just do it this and we will do this, correct? And then we will complete it. It is actually coming from here. Okay, okay, let's mark it a and mark it as b. Similarly, this should cover this as well because we have to see the entire wall. So if it is that way, then we can say this, then you know correct. Now, so basically this and this and this. Okay, very good. Let's mark it as C. And let's now we have this. Very good. Now let's draw a perpendicular, correct, and mark it as C dash, right? This thing, we know this is equivalent to this, which is a plus b. So this is, if I have to write it, this is what? A plus b, correct? Let's say this is x and this is x and this is y. So what I can say is this is x and this is y. This is y. Okay, now let's draw. Now again we will follow the same procedure. We have two triangles, one is this, other is this, correct? And in this triangle we have this small triangle. Again, in this big one we have again this small triangle. So let's draw these two separately. Okay, let's first draw the first one. So it will be what? It will be something like this, and then it will be something like this. Okay, this is a dash, c dash, this is x as we have marked, right? This is p, q. Let's mark this point as p and let's mark this point as q. This is q, correct? So this is a plus b, we know it, we have done it, correct? This is b, this is b, and this is c. Now with the similarity property, we can say a dash c dash by pq is equal to c c dash by cq, or I can say a dash c dash x is equal to 2b plus a by b. Okay, or I can say a dash c dash is equal to x into 2b plus a by b. Okay, now let's draw this lower triangle. uh, if I draw the lower triangle, let me use a different color for the same. In the lower triangle, it is, again, let me mark everything. This is y, this is c dash, b dash, a plus b. Okay, this is b and this is c. Just check it out with this same thing. And this is r, let's say, and this is q. Okay, now in this I can say c dash b dash by qr is equal to cc dash by cq, or I can make it c dash b dash, by y is equal to 2b plus a by b. Okay, how I am doing this is, remember, this triangle, the bigger one and the smaller one are similar, so the ratio of the corresponding side, so this side by this side should be equal to this whole plus this. Okay, and that is what I have done. Or I can say c dash b dash is equal to y 2b plus a by b. Okay, and here we found out this, and here we found out this. Okay, so let me walk you through this again. See, in the upper triangle, I have drawn it here. Okay, in this triangle, two triangles are similar. Which two? First, this bigger one, and second, this smaller one. Now that means ratio of the corresponding sides of the bigger divided by the smaller should be equal to this side of the bigger and this side of the smaller. That is what I have done, 2b plus a b, hence we got. Similarly, for the lower triangle, I have done the same thing. Okay, now look at this figure. In this figure, if you see in this mirror, this portion is not needed. We need the mirror only till here, because this covers our top of the wall. Similarly, we don't need this portion as well, so because here it covers the lower portion also, so we don't need this. So basically what we just need x plus y. That is the minimum bare requirement for getting the entire image of the wall. Okay, so I will write size, or let me just make it here, size of mirror required, size of mirror is equal to, size of mirror is x plus y. So basically we need x plus y. Okay, very good. Now what is the height of the wall? So height of the wall is c dash b dash, this plus this. Why this is height of the wall? Because this wall, basically this is the image of this, so both are of the same size. So whatever is the size of this wall is the size of this image. Okay, now I will say height of wall is equal to 2, if I just add this and this, 2b plus a by b, if I take this common out of this and this, and you are left with x plus y. Correct? Hence, right? So I can say this is equal to h, or I can say x plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to, this numerator will come here, h b by 2b plus a, and this is what we want. We want size of the mirror, which is x plus y. So x plus y, hence answer. Okay guys, very good.